I went to journalism school so I'd have a trade if I couldn't write fiction. But I didn't realize when I did that, that the two disciplines would dovetail in the perfect way that they have. I don't think I could have become a fiction writer if I hadn't written the nonfiction. I don't think I could survive as a nonfiction writer without the escape into fiction.
Mm.
The actual writing of fiction and nonfiction is pretty similar because a good story is a good story. I mean, in journalism, you're waiting for the facts to line up in a way that tell a story. And in fiction, you're making them up. But the elements of the story remain the same. You need empathy. Characters make choices. Characters have conflict. Characters have love. The way, when I look back, I didn't realize this was happening when it did, but most of my novels trace back to something that happened in journalism, in nonfiction research, either the setting or the situation or the characters or some nuance. One hand feeds the other. Just I don't know if I could do one without the other.